Hi guys, welcome back to another video of website creators, and today in this video I will tell you which text editor I used and how to download it. And I will also tell you some extensions about this text editor that will help you speed up your code. So in most of my video I used brackets editor to download it. So come to the Google and search for brackets. You will get this website brackets.io. Open it, or you can directly come to with URL brackets.io. It is available for free for both Windows and Mac operating system. Here you can find the download button and download this software application on your computer. So it is already installed in my computer. So I close it. So I am open this in my computer. So this is the brackets editor that I will use most of my video. As you know, you need to create documents for our website. So you can see file, click here, and you can see the option to create a new file. Okay, you can click one new, and you can also type Ctrl+N. So you can see Untitled -3. Now we can save this file. For that, type Ctrl+S and select the location, and I am select my desktop. In this desktop I make a new folder. So I am add this name, website creators, and in this website creators folder I am create new style.css. Click on the yes and type the index.html because it is the HTML file. So save this. If I create one more file, type Ctrl+N and after Ctrl+S. So I am type Ctrl+N. So you can see the Untitled -4 as a new document. I close it. Let's come my folder. This is my folder, website creators. So open this folder. So just right click here and open as bracket project. So click here index.html. So later we will use some extensions that will use the write the code faster. For that, in the right side you can see the icon. This is the extension manager, and here we have lots of extensions. So it is loading. And search for Emmet, EMMET. So you can see Emmet, it is already installed now. So this is the extension that I will use. After the installation, just close this pop-up window. Now come to the HTML file and type the exclamation mark and press tab. You can see the basic structures of HTML. Now if we want to connect the CSS file to the HTML file, just come to the head tag and type link and press tab. You can got this one. In this href you can add file name here, so I am adding style.css. So now come to the body tag. If you want to add to create division, for that just type div and press tab. You got this. It is the open tag and closing tag. Suppose you need class name also, so for that just remove this. So type div dot container. So container is the class name. So enter the tab. So you can see the div class name is container. Suppose you need to add ID also, so just type div and has container. Just press tab key, so you can see the ID is container. So this is the how can add ID and class name also. So let me show you one more thing. Just remove this. So I am adding hero and has hero. You can see in this div, you can see this div is getted by hero and ID also. We got div with class name and ID also. Now I will tell you some other things, like if I want to add span, so I am write span and enter the tab key. So you can see span open tag and closing tag. Suppose you want to add span class name, so I am adding span dot, I am adding hero with his class name. So adding, so after that I am add, so after that type the tab key. So you can see the span class name is hero. We will remove this. Now I will tell you how can we add list on your website with the shortcut key. So type ul, it is unordered list, and greater than li, and type the star and enter the number, because it is the how many times you want to add the list item. So I am adding 10. So enter the tab key. So you can see ul unordered list, and in the list item is 10 times. So you can easily get this list item. So now I will tell you how to duplicate the content. So suppose I have one title here. I will write this title with h1. Just remove this. So I am type h1. I am type my channel name, website creators. So this is the H1. If you want to duplicate this H1, press the Ctrl D. Like this, you can duplicate it. So if you want to preview this website, just check on this icon. It will open the Google Chrome and preview your website. So you can see. Now come back to the brackets text editor and save these changes. Now you can see its content is automatically refreshed. So this is you can easily write your quotes brackets editor. So I will tell you some other things also. So just come back to the brackets text editor and just remove this and write li into 5. So I am adding hello. Just remove this. So I am duplicate this 3 times. So it is unorganized by one by one. So we need to align it properly one by one. So come to the extension manager and search for beautify. So this is the extension. I am talking beautify. So let me type beautify. So this is the extension beautify. I am talking beautify and you can see it is already installed. So let me close this one. And after that, the installation, this beautify, you will get this icon right here. So you can see if I select this click on this icon, you can see everything correct alignment. So let me select this and click this beautify icon. Just click here. So it is everything correct alignment. So this is I want to teach you. I hope in this video, if you have any questions about this tutorial, you can ask me in the comment section. And please hit the like button and also share this video with everyone. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel Website Creators to watch more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video.